Hey, what's up guys? It's Lukas, Kasper here again. Today I'm going to be teaching you a tutorial on how you can basically implement a few techniques which will make your spray painting so much better. Whether you do, graffiti letters or characters or realism or whatever it is, if you implement these into your practice, it's incredible how much cleaner, how much nicer, and how much more simple you can make spray painting for yourself. Just to let you know what I'm using, because you want to use similar things to get similar outcomes. Flame blue, which is a low pressure version of flame spray paint. There's plenty of cans out there that are low pressure as well. And the cap itself, these are called cream skinnies. They are a really skinny cap that is perfect for what I want to do today, because I'm going to be painting pretty small. I just want to demonstrate the basics of these techniques. Let's say if you want to do a circle like this, you got like a bigger circle like that, and you want to outline this thing. It is smart to basically just fill this thing in and outline it with your color. So just like this. This is the most simple way of doing things. Just like that. We got our circle, and I'll chuck a line around this thing, and I'll show you a problem that some people come into, right? Let's say you want to do a circle like this, but you want it on like a smaller scale. Some people make the mistake where they take that same technique of filling in and then outlining. You don't want to do it that way. You want to do it like this, right? Do your outline first and then go on the inside. For example, if I go like that and then I get this can, all it takes is a simple little dot like that. This is really handy because mostly if you have a small, tiny little shape like this and you want to do it and you do exactly what we did, some people, they will go like this. I'll try to still get their circle around, and it's just too small to be doing. So I wouldn't even bother with that. And that's why this helps a lot, is all you gotta do is the dot and you can clean it up. So for example, same thing. I can go like this, got my circle, you can make it nice and perfect. And then you can just use the dot, just like that. If you want, you can then clean that up. This has a bit of a thicker outline, but maybe that's what you want to go with. If you want to make them look like they're 3D, picture there's a light source coming from a certain area. Let's picture a sun's right here and it's beaming down. That means that everything is shooting in this direction. The sun's not beaming this far down here and then small and then big and then small. It's all one singular distance. So just like this, right? If that line is that big, the next line should be that big too. And same thing with the next one. And it should always be shooting in the same direction. Now all I gotta do is follow that line, and that creates my little 3D area like this. So there you go, it's sort of a 3D cylinder type of shape there. For me, the way I like to do my 3Ds is a little bit different. So it's almost like it has it, and then it just sort of drops down like a level, like it's offset. That's the way I like to do my sort of 3D colors. So, let's say you want to make them pop more. The way you can do this is by adding basically a highlight line around the shape. I want this to be in front of this. So I'll do this one first, right? Right, so we got our little highlight around that. And then we'll just put this secondary. So this one came first. Same thing, we'll just go around these, just why not? Cool. From here you can add things in, make it cool. For example, I see a circle here, so let's make it less boring and let's add in a little peace sign. So that's about it for the circles. So, you got a general 3D technique. You have painting in layers in a smart way. So picturing which one comes first and second, and you have your highlights around the outsides here. We're just gonna head over to this next bit, and we're gonna start doing some more straight shapes. And I'll show you a little bit about cutbacks, because that type of stuff is really important.